Hi, good day to all of you. I'm Wenda George here at LORETO Cooking Studio Strandberg. Today I'm going to prepare the crispy fish burger. Do you want to learn it? Okay, so let me introduce you with the ingredients that we're going to use for our crispy fish burger. Okay, here you are. This is the fish fillet, about 200 grams. I'm using the spring onion and also the cilantro. I chop it, okay. And then the next ingredient is the onion, chopped onion, and also salt and pepper. Okay, it's very easy ingredients that you can get from your nearest supermarket, yeah, and easy to prepare. Okay, and also not forgetting this breadcrumb. Okay. Okay, let me show you how to mix up all the ingredients. First of all, we need this fish fillet, which I cut into cube like this. Right. Next is the chopped onion, the chopped cilantro, and also the spring onion a little bit. Okay, I put some salt and pepper. You can use black pepper or the white pepper. Eh? Okay, and mix until it's well combined. And then not forgetting our corn flour. Okay, once again, look how we change the color change. And then what I do is I put some breadcrumb inside it. This is about 3 tablespoons. And I mix again. The cooking technique for this crispy fried fish for our burger is shallow fry. Yeah? For the shallow fry. Yeah? Okay, let me show you once again. Okay. Set aside for a few minutes, for about 5 to 10 minutes, to make sure all the ingredients combine well. The other ingredients that we need to make this fish burger is the bun, the cheese, tomatoes, some salad, mayonnaise, cheese, and butter. I'll show you how after this. Okay, and after 5 minutes, I mold and shape the fish meat like this. It's about 100 grams, like this. Okay. And then I coat it with the breadcrumb. Yes. Okay. This is how I coat the fish meat with breadcrumb. To improve the texture and the taste of your crispy fried fish. Okay, this is for the patty for our crispy fish burger for today. So I make 2 pieces, yeah, so that it can hold its shape to the shape that we wanted, yeah. Okay, you can refrigerate it about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm preparing the burger bun. I spread with some butter, to enhance the taste and to improve the texture. And I will put some sugar on top. We'll sprinkle some oil. Put some butter. If you think it is too much, you can always take the excess oil. Okay. Put more butter. Okay. With slow fire. Wow, this is nice. This is what I want. Okay. See? Crispiness of our burger bun will enhance the taste of our crispy burger, yeah? See? Okay, I set aside. Okay. And then we continue with our fish pate. Aha, I just took it from our refrigerator. Now here you are. I open it. Let us check the texture. Okay, it's firmer now. Okay. The next step is we're going to shallow fry our fish pate. Okay. I'm using the cooking oil with some butter. This is how it looks like. This is the fish pate. Okay, and then we put some mayonnaise. We spread on the burger bun. Put a slice of cheddar cheese. Put sauce of your choice, tomato or chili sauce, but today I'm using the tomato sauce. This crispy pate, a slice of cucumber, a slice of tomato, mayonnaise, and the cheese. Press it a little bit. Another layer of crispy fish pate. The mayonnaise. And also the tomato sauce. Another slice of cucumber and tomato. Press it a little bit, but not too hard. Aha! Here you are, our crispy fish burger. Look at that. Okay, here's our crispy fish burger. The side dishes are the salad with the tomato cherries and some French fries. Actually, you can change it into mashed potato or coleslaw or any side dishes that you like. Okay, do you want to try our fish burger? Okay, let's have a look and try it now. Okay, are you ready? let me cut it and see what's inside our fish burger. It looks so yummy and so big and satisfying, huh? Okay. Yum, yum, yum. I can't wait. Let me try. They're so yummy and satisfying. You should try this recipe and see you again in the next video. Bye.